The positive, for those who are not lawyers, but who follow the news somewhat, right? Something called Chevron Deference ended under a case called Loper Bright, right? Name of the plaintiff. Chevron Deference said that Treasury regulations, so laws can say Treasury will fill in this part, right? Treasury is the regulatory agency. They follow APA, Administrative Procedure Act. They do it right. Whether they do it right, whatever, not the point here. And they issue regulations, and then they get deference, which means you basically have to prove that the regulations exceeded, just make no sense, basically. And what happened was with Loper Bright, Chevron deference gets ended, right? Which means that the only time regulations get ended, if get any sort of deference, get any sort of preference, are viewed as correct, sort of by default, is if Congress explicitly says, in the case of tax, Treasury can regulate in this area, which is extremely rare. There's maybe 100 times in the tax code, which is extremely long, that it says it, and they tend to be very narrow.